morning. How may I help you?
I have an appointment with Mrs. Otzal.
Come through, madam. Turn right after the barrier and follow the visitor's sign. You will find a parking space on your right.
Thank you. Good morning. I have an appointment with Mrs. Otzal.
Good morning, madam. Can I have your name, please?
Karima Hassan from Hassan Middle Eastern Imports Limited.
One moment, please, Miss Hassan. I'll check the visitors list for today. Yes, your appointment is at 10:30. Is that correct?
Yes, it is. I'm a bit early.
That is no problem, Miss Hassan. I will enter 10:15 as your arrival time. Would you please sign the visitors form?
Oh, of course.
Thank you. Please take a seat in the lobby. Someone will be here to collect you in 10 minutes. Can I offer you something to drink?
Thank you, yes. I would like a coffee, please.
Of course. I will bring it to you in a moment.
Thank you, that's very kind.
You're welcome.